हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप सब। दिस इज शुभम गुप्ता। दिस इज शुभम गुप्ता। बीकॉम ऑनर्स, CA इंटर, and currently pursuing PG, postgraduate diploma in public accounting. Today I will teach you income tax and GST. Today is just a basic lecture. Huh? First of all, before discussing income tax and GST, I will tell you two things. Two things, i.e., what is tax and why there is required of tax. Tax in India, earlier there was many type of tax, but in today's era only there is two type of tax, which is direct tax slash income tax. Other is indirect tax slash GST. As the name suggests, direct, which means burden can't be shifted, burden can be shifted. Income means amount earned by person on all goods and services consumed. In our CA Inter, we have basically four heads which we will discuss. Number one, salary. Number two, house property. Number three, other source. Number four, capital gain. Number fifth is PGBP, profit and gain from business and profession. And in as far as goods and services is concerned, we have many topics including registration, exemption, reverse charge, supply, and many more. गाइस, मुझे लग रहा है कि आपको समझ आ रहा होगा जो जो चीज़ लिखा है। अभी मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लिखा। अभी हम थोड़ा डीप में जाएंगे। और अब हम बात करते हैं सबसे पहले इनकम टैक्स की। नंबर वन, वी विल स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टार्ट, एक सेकेंड यार। First of all, we will start income tax and then we will go through GST. Okay, so that's our criteria. Total lectures will be 60. I will try to cover whole syllabus in 60 lecture. As far as I concern, and study material will be ICAI strictly. Okay, so today I have just discussed the basics. I will prepare my own notes and we will continue further. So guys, please tell us about how are you like my lecture of basics only. If you like it, please give a thumbs up. If you dislike it, kindly give a dislike and tell us about review so that we can improve. And I assure you that we will definitely pass. Okay guys, stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.